I know I haven't said it in a few days, but yeah, the globe is still on fire. There are people losing their homes and dying, and it's spreading. Madagascar, I feel bad for the lemurs and the penguins. Fuck, man. World's shaking too. I don't know what to tell you, but oh, there's another fire map. Information resource management systems. Oh yeah, that's right. I go to official sites to look for stuff. I don't depend on YouTube idiots. I oops, shit. All the volcanoes are acting up. I wonder why. It might be all this induction heating that she's been pulling in through the accretion disk out of the bow shock, strengthening her magnet as we go through these things. You can see her putting up extra shields actively right here in Tracy. Then she needs it because the IMF lines are coming in putting extra pressure. See? That's correlation. That's physics. Uh-oh. It's not speculation. It's not a theory. For fuck's sake. This is the world you live in. And it has three suns. Two of them on this side, one of them behind you. Behind you at night? Why can't you see it? Because maybe that thing that's on your north horizon at about midnight is in the way. It's a big ass planet. You should go look. I've been saying this for days. Although we've only talked about it on the live pretty much, so everybody there's looked and seen that there's a planet about your size behind you, right here, right on your fucking satellite, man. You're going to see it on your north horizon about midnight. Then about 1 o'clock, Orion's going to rise on his back. Hmm. Hours and hours in the air. Hours and hours. That's your winter hunter. He shouldn't be laying on his back or being around all summer. Yeah, it's getting towards later in the summer, but 1 o'clock in the morning, you can see him, which should clearly indicate that the motherfucker's been there for quite some time. And I've been talking about it all summer for you to look at. Nobody looks, I guess. I don't know. You might want to go look behind you at night. That would be your northern horizon. Probably been looking at it. She caught it on the satellite too. Mr. 333 left it a mystery yesterday. See that shadow? You can see that at night, real clear from your backyard. I don't know if you got. I guess suppose it depends on your viewing. If you wanted to see something, man, for fuck's sake, get to somewhere where you can see your northern horizon. Don't tell me about it. Change the situation at night that you looking. All I got to say. It's clear sky, you gonna see it. I mean, right there it is. He left it as a mystery. Oh, I wonder what's going on. Well, I've been giving this motherfucker fucking the moon doing cartwheels for a long time, and let me tell you a little something. Even Popular Mechanics, I've covered that several different videos, has covered the Earth's axis shifted. No, the moon doing a cartwheel every night isn't normal BBB, and been giving it to you a long time before NASA finally admitted it. Now, Polly been giving you this and everything else in the moon for so long, and you just keep leaving everything a mystery, man. You're not helping anybody. Wondering what you're doing. What are you doing? Are you a baffled scientist or what? I mean, I know you're watching this shit. Polly been making you watch it. What do you think the mystery shadow is? Go look tonight on your north horizon. You tell me, Mr. 333. For the first time, man. I've used your footage of your Madagascar trees and shit. That's fucking amazing. Why can't you be real, dude? Help people out. This isn't scary, but you need to wake them up. And they got a magnet, and if you've been watching, you'll be paying attention. You know how to give them their magnet. This ain't a game. Go look in your north horizon tonight. Then sit there and look at yourself in the mirror and tell me that you're doing humanity any good. Sitting here leaving things a mystery, man. People need to be getting ready and understanding that they're fucking thing everything they see right now is a distraction from this shadow behind them at night. It ain't your CERN, it ain't your dues, it ain't your Kimmies doing any of this. Your moon is doing a cartwheel. Your axis has shifted. Y'all be talking about pole shifting. How about those poles that are influencing our North Pole are making your compass bounce around? It's making the instrumentation look as if maybe our pole's moving. How about you open your eyes and look at your skies? It's not very difficult. It's a ball with a flashlight on it. Make it spin, dude. Make Orion rise on his back, flat on his back all summer long. What you got? We were held in orbit. Uh-oh. There's planets behind you. That's what that shadow is. Something I missed. If you notice, funny enough, watch the orientation of the moon here. he's like, it doesn't change Tycho crater even if you lay on your back, which is so funny because it's pointed left and then it's pointed right, even if you're laying on your back, is what I'm getting at. He went through all this trouble to prove it's. Oh my God. So his own footage proves me actually right because he hung it like, you know, at rise in the middle of the night and then that's it. Of course, you're going to have a completely different place because our orientation has changed. See? And what he hasn't realized is he actually did a pretty good orientation of us rolling around on our fucking backs because the Earth's axis shifted. Let me demonstrate again, just for slow people. This might help, hopefully. We'll see. So you got Earth here, all right? And for sake of argument, the bottom of the screen here is your um, ecliptic, which the moon sits on. And we used to roll about 23 degrees opposing that ecliptic. Okay? That's how the moon used to rise and set. You would rise wax and set wax. Now you're rising bottom lit, rolls and sets top lit. That's a wax and wane in one night. And neither one of them actually by definition. When you tilt the axis of the earth, you're no longer doing this motion in relation to the moon for the 12 hours that we see it every day, like that, okay? Which isn't much of an inclination. Now, the problem is, when you tilt the planet, all of a sudden it's you moving around a whole lot, that 12 hours. See that? Now you're making the thing flip by your orientation. This Earth's axis has shifted. So says everybody, for God's sake. It said in 2021, 11 years after I told you, that it started in the 90s. I'm telling you, it started October 2010, and so did 350 Native American wisdom holders that I've spoken to. Earth's axis shifted. Either spell it wrong or right with the right apostrophes, it doesn't matter. Popular mechanics is still coming up. They did a little diagram and stuff, told you how farts and melting glaciers have tilted the Earth's axis. Either way, Earth's axis shifted. The moon's doing a cartwheel. It's confused, okay, by definition. So, I mean, you know, confounded. Isaiah 24:23. That began tribulations. As we have heard over here for the last couple of days and on my live last night on the Twitch, um, the in the days where Nebaru travels with his son, Nebu's planet is actually named Heaven. Anu rules over it. His name is Yahweh. And Enlil and Enki and all these Anunnaki stories, the original stories of the Bible. So today we're going here, like as I'm downloading this, I'll be setting up my Twitch to be doing the Emerald Tablets of Thoth, and that's where we at. I'm going to be doing the Emerald Tablets of Thoth today. I've got a new tank of oxygen, new tank of propane, and we're going to be busting out. I got 7 days. Me and Polly have here, and Master Seamus. We are out by the 1st. So just enjoy the dungeon while it lasts. 7 more days. All right, y'all. Today we do Emerald Tablets of Thoth.